questions.
Yeah, I
Me
did it
too.
all in the Excel.
Right. So does everyone have the thingy up? Group
Yeah.
meeting?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll just go through it. There's only one question that like I could not answer to save my life. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But so for number 2 I got the first one.
I got that. This question was in another quiz, and I'm just trying to remember now that if I get a question like this, to answer the same exact answer, because I remember it in another one. I think
Yeah.
homework.
For a few of these I actually went back to old homeworks or old group quizzes because they were like the same question. So that
Yeah.
was kind of helpful. And then for number 3 I got the second one.
Yep, me too.
Okay. For
Yeah.
number 4 I got the second one.
Yep.
Yeah? Okay.
Where did you
Yeah.
find that? Where did you find that answer at? 'Cause I could not find it and I couldn't remember where it was at. Do you know?
Let me look for it. Because
Like what
I know it took me a
chapter?
while to find it too, yeah.
I think I kind of just guessed because in the information it doesn't give you the standard deviation.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So, and
But
it
there,
wasn't any of the others. It's not the dependent samples. It's not the independent samples one.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Wait a minute. So for number 4, this isn't going off the question above, is it?
I think it is.
yeah.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Oh, so it's in lesson 11 where it talks about the if it's unknown or if it's known.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Which one are we on? Oh, so for number 5 I got the second one.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, go. And then I don't know why I could not get number 6 because every time I was getting 998 and 1002, I wasn't getting point anything. And I was using the formula that it's x with the line over it plus or minus 2 times the standard deviation over the square root of n, which just ended up being 1,000 plus or minus 2. And how are you guys getting that answer? Did anyone else get it?
Yeah, you have to use the Z because I had to do that too. So the 95% confidence interval is 1 point, what is it? 1.960.
96. Hmm.
So instead of the 2, you use that number. And then you do the same, it's the same equation, but instead of the 2, you use
Oh.
the Z score.
Okay, so
Oh,
my
and
thing
is it not a 2, it's a Z? Did I just read it wrong?
No, I think it was a 2 because I wrote the same thing down and I did the same thing the first time and I got the same answers you got and I was like, how's this possible? And then I read a little bit more and then I figured out the Z-score part.
Yeah, that makes way more sense. Okay.
So here's something you guys might be able to help me with. Looking at this question, how is it triggering in your brain with knowing what formula to use? Like what keywords? Because I think if I can figure out keywords to help me or like certain things, do you understand what I'm saying? Like I right off the top of my head didn't know to use that formula. So
I had to
what?
go back into the lessons and look through. I think I looked up confidence intervals,
Yeah.
the lower and the upper, and I just had to look through and see what numbers we were given, and then I had to try to figure out the answer.
Okay.
But it's from lesson 10, part 4.
Okay.
So what did you guys get for the answer then for that one?
The first one.
The first one? Okay. Awesome.
What did you guys get for number 5?
I got the second one.
Yeah, me
Okay.
too.
All right, cool.
And for number 7, I got the third one.
I got the third one too, but mine came up with a decimal, and none of these have decimals. Did you guys have that problem?
I don't even remember.
I don't remember either.
Like I came up with 384.16, and so I put that one as my answer because it's the same numbers, but there's no decimal. So I don't know. I don't know why. Okay.
Oh, you know why I didn't? Oh, wait, hold on. Let me read the question. Oh, okay. So how I did this problem, because I was kind of confused, is that I just plugged each one of them in for n.
Oh yeah, that's what
So
I
I
did.
never, and then I just waited until I got .001.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's smart.
And then for number 8, I got the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
me
that.
And for number 9, I got the last one.
Yeah, me too.
And for number 10, I got the first one.
I put that they didn't have enough data. I wasn't positive on this one.
I
though.
wanted to
Yeah,
put
I
that
didn't
and
know.
thought, ugh. Yeah, that question kind of confused me because I was going back and forth between is there enough data or should I just put it looks normal?
Because I think for the ANOVA,
Yeah.
it wasn't talking about like the standard deviations didn't have to be nearly equal. I thought it was the mean or the variable? I don't know. I
I
looked
think
it
it's
up,
like the variances or yeah.
but I'm not positive on that one. But there's been questions before where the answer is there's not enough data, which I hate because it's tricky.
Yeah, it's like why is that question even
Yeah.
in? Doesn't help me.
Yeah.
And then number 11, I got the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah, me
Yeah, I
too.
put that.
And then 12, I got the last one.
I put the first one, but I don't
I
know.
didn't get it. I didn't get it.
What was the question? If the level... So I went through and looked back at the lesson, and it said that if the probability of committing a type 1 error is very small, then the probability of committing a type 2 is really large.
Okay. Do you know what lesson that was in? I want to make a note. Do you happen to know?
Man, that would have been such a smart idea to write down like which lesson each one of these questions was in. I think I'm going to go back and do that, but I didn't. Let me find it really quick. I know I can find it.
So this exam said it covers Unit 2, but do you remember him saying that all of the examiners are gonna be cumulative or whatnot?
That's
Yeah.
what he said. But this one wasn't so much, this review. So I hope,
No,
I don't know.
didn't seem like it. So it's in lesson 9 and it's 4.5.
Awesome, thanks. I can use that in the test if I need to go back.
Yeah, definitely. That's such a good idea.
Yeah, I need to go make my study guide.
Yeah.
And then for number 13, I got the last one.
I put fail to reject the null for
How
13.
did you get that?
Let's see, how did I get that? I wrote down a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, I think I had to find the p-value because that's what you do for the hypothesis, right? You have to have a p-value against the level of significance. So to find the p-value is in lesson 9, 4.2. It's the formula, the z equals the x with the line over top minus the, what is that, the u, whatever that one, the mean, over standard deviation divided by square root of N, and that gave us the p-value of 0.9856, which is greater than the level of significance. And so if it's greater, then we fail to reject the null hypothesis.
That's true. Okay.
Okay.
That's good to know.
But I don't know. If you really think it's a reject, these are like I'm not 100% on any of these. I'm not. Don't be mad if it's wrong.
No, I'm sure it's right. It almost seemed like I guessed on that one because I don't have any work for it. So I'm like, what was I doing?
I do that on plenty of these.
And for 14, I got paired sample test.
I put independent sample t-test.
I guess independent sample t-test.
So what is an independent sample t-test? I kept trying to look this up and I was getting super confused. Like, what's the difference?
So the paired sample t-test is where, like, you take a sample of all the fathers and how many cups of water they drink, but you also have to compare it to their wives. So the study is paired. So if you take a study of the husband, you have to take a study of the wife for the sample to work because they're paired together.
Okay, so it's dependent?
So, well, no, that's a paired t-test.
Okay.
So, so the independent sample t-test is where one doesn't have anything to do with the other, and so that's why I'm thinking because they just did males and females, but they didn't have to be like brother sister. They were both randomly selected from male students and female students. I think I don't know. Anybody else?
I wasn't sure.
That was my thinking behind that one, but I don't think it's paired sample t-test.
Yeah. No, that makes more sense.
But I don't know. I don't know.
And then, sorry. For 15, I got the last one.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I put that.
And then for 16, I got the first one.
I got the last one. I don't know why. Hold on.
Well, it was weird because when I went back and looked at like confidence intervals, I swear I could only find like the confidence interval for when it's known and when it's unknown. And I couldn't figure out like what they were talking about with the last two. They kept bringing it up.
Yeah, they're not.
Does anyone know where it talks about that?
I think I wrote notes down about that. I need to look real fast now.
Yeah, I can only find stuff on the first two.
Well, we can go with that one. I can't remember honestly how I got that, and I didn't write a note of where I found it, so I don't know. That's right.
And you thought it was the independent samples one?
I did. Just because when I opened it up in Excel, we knew what the standard deviation was because it computed it for us.
Uh-huh.
So that was the reason why I didn't think it was the second one. Confidence interval for the mean when it's known. I don't know. Maybe it's the first one.
I don't know. I have no idea.
Yeah.
Talk to him about that because I'll put that on my list of things to talk to him about. So for number 17, I got the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got
Which
that.
one?
The last one for 17.
Oh, yeah. I got that one too.
And then back to number 18, I got the first one.
I put the last one again. Shoot. I don't know why.
There must be some reason you were doing it. Man. And see, it's like what you said. The only reason I did it was because when I opened it up, it gave me the standard deviation.
Mommy.
Just a second, baby. Oh, maybe it's because it says create a confidence interval for the true difference of the mean, and at the bottom it talks about the difference of the means. And since they're independent samples, maybe that's why I thought.
No, that makes more sense, actually.
But I don't remember. And I just did this like a couple hours ago. I don't know why I don't remember why I picked them. But I'll turn it in. So I'll take the blame. We'll see if it's right. We can learn. Okay.
For number 19, I got the third one.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I got that.
And for number 20, I got ANOVA.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, I chose that.
And for 21, I got the third one.
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
And
Come
for
on.
22, I got the second one.
Yeah.
Yes.
And for 23, I got the second one.
Yep.
Yes.
And 24, I got the third one, dependent.
Yep.
Yeah, I chose that.
And 25, I got the first one.
Yep.
Mom, come on.
Yes.
And for 26, I got the second one.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then 27, I got the last one. Is that right?
I put the second one.
Second one. I was so confused by the wording in this one. There is a difference.
Because the p-value is smaller than our level of significance,
Yeah,
which means we would reject the null, which the null would be that there is no difference in purchase
there's a
price.
sufficient evidence to conclude that there is a difference.
Yeah, so that sentence is saying that we reject
Oh,
the
yeah.
first one.
Oh, gosh. See, this
So-
is like, yeah.
Whenever you
Yeah.
have the level of significance, you always compare it to the p-value, and that's how you determine these type of questions. And right, it's just with those two, like the level of significance and the p-value.
Yeah. And this confused me for a long time because I guess it's always true. If the p-value is less than the level of significance, you always reject the null. And
See,
that's
this is what confuses me because you know how sometimes it'll have 2 fail to reject and then 2 reject, but the wording will be different on both of them, so there'll be 4 possible answers. I can always narrow it down to like the 2 where it's either rejecting or failing to reject, but the wording after that, I can't ever figure out how to pick from those 2. Does that make sense?
Yeah. I think these are really tricky. I think these are the ones that I get wrong the most on the last few weeks of quizzes. It's the p-value and the rejecting thing.
So what did you say if the p-value is less than the level of significance?
Then you reject the null hypothesis.
Okay.
It's in lesson 11, section 4.
Okay.
It talks about that.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and submit it. Okay, B minus. Not too bad.
What was your
Let's see. Number 4 is wrong.
What's the answer?
It's the last one. The confidence interval for the difference of means using independent samples.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going to be able to make it on Thursday. Ask him about that and text me.
Yeah, I will. That's super confusing. What else did we get wrong?
Let's see. Number 9 is wrong.
Oh no. Oh,
Number 9 is the p-value is larger than A.
That's the last one.
Yeah, the last one. And number 10 is wrong. It's no, they do not have enough data. Oh, I'm sorry. No, it's not that. It's yes, it is enough that the data are bell-shaped with no outlier. Sorry. Okay, and number 13 is wrong. Number 13, you need to reject the null. So you were right on that one. So I don't know how I got that wrong. What I did wrong. Okay, and then number 16 is confidence interval for the mean when the standard deviation is unknown.
Unknown.
And that's it.
Okay.
Oh, who did we lost?
Uh-oh.
Oh, we lost
Final.
Ashley.
Number 9. Did the
Number
wrong
9. Number 9 was the second one.
one. I put the last one by accident.
It's broke. Henry, you broke it. It broke it again, Mom.
Oh. Yeah, I put the wrong one too.
Have you guys done the homework for this one?
I broke it.
No, I have done it.
No, not yet.
That's just. Ow!
Like,
Wasn't the homework just the same as the group meeting?
Oh, was it? I don't know. I haven't-
The exam is this week, so we don't have like the homework quiz. It's just the exam.
Well, because I have homework and Unit 2 exam and group meeting.
The homework is nothing. It just says there will be no homework for this lesson. You will have 4 hours to complete the
Okay.
exam.
Okay.
All right. All right. Well, I'll text Ashley the right answers since we lost her. I don't know how to close up the. I don't know how to broadcast this. Do you know how to do that?
It's still broadcasting. Oh, turn it off?
Yeah, because Ashley's not here. She said her computer froze.
I think once we log out and once she logs out, it'll just turn it off immediately.
And she can save it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay. See you guys
Wait,
later.
hold on. She says, hold on, nobody leave. Someone invite me.
Invite her?
Let me
Did you
see.
do that?
Reset apps, YouTube.
I don't know how to do that. Maybe one of us should do this. So we can figure out how to do it.
Settings, recall. Don't even know. I don't know.
How do you
Hello. 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 Oh no! I got my headphones. Oh no! Look out!
Sorry.
I have no idea how to get her back in here.
Can I just like forward her the email that she sent us?
Yeah, try that. Oh wait.
Oh, there's still
Oh my gosh! That was so weird. I had to shut down my whole computer and restart it. And okay, hold on 1 second. Let me get back to BYU.
I
So
guess you
sorry
leave
about
me
that. That would never
alone.
happen.
The heck? Careful, bye-bye. Where's the other pizza?
Okay, so for doing this review, what do you feel were the most common formulas you used?
In this review, we didn't use that many formulas.
I'm
Yeah.
hoping to use a lot of the Excel because I understand that now since you guys taught me.
Yeah, I'm hoping that'll be on the test. 'Cause, yeah, it's the word
Very
problems
easy.
that trip me up. I don't understand. I don't know why.
I want to watch TV.
So I left off when you guys were at number 9. What did you do for 9?
Number 9 is the p-value is less than a. Is the answer.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Oh. What else did we get wrong?
Number 10's answer is yes. It is not that data are bell-shaped with no outliers.
Okay.
Number 13 was reject the null, so the last one. And then number 16 is confidence intervals for the mean when the deviation is unknown, so the second one.
Okay.
And then that was it, which I think you guys already did that one. I don't know why I didn't change it before I submitted it, because that was dumb. But
Well, I think we were really up in the air about it, all of us.
Yeah.
so hope, yeah, turn it in, you'll get a good grade. And
Oh! It didn't save my last answer.
no.
Oh no.
It's not bad. It's a 96.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm gonna let you guys go. I gotta teach a piano lesson here in a minute.
Oh, nice. Well, have fun.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Okay,
Oh,
see
thank
ya.
you. And then, are you guys going to be at the Thursday with the teacher?
Probably.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to
What
do
time
that.
is it? Is it at the normal time? 7?
Yeah, 7 California time.
I don't know what it's going to help, but...
Yeah, true.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, I'll be there.
And then, what time do you guys want to meet on Monday? I know. Let's see, I have a doctor's appointment that I should be home by 10. So anytime after that.
How far along are you now?
A little over 6 months.
A lot. Are you sick at all still?
Yeah.
Oh, I hated that.
Yeah.
I would projectile vomit like The Exorcist. So. Monday I can do. No, Monday I can do anytime.
Bethany, what works for you?
I'm good after 12:30, so after 11:30 your time.
So does 11:30 work, or?
I get done with my class at 12:30, so
Okay,
I can be
so
home by
should we do
like
12?
noon for you. Yeah, that works. That works
12.
fine.
1? Okay.
What about Wednesday? Because I have a hair appointment at 3 o'clock.
I just have to leave by 5:30 for my birthing class.
And we
So-
can't do it in the morning, right?
Yeah, I have work.
I can do it at my hair appointment. I'll just have to log into there.
How long do you think your hair appointment's gonna
No, it's like 3 hours. I'm getting weaved and foiled,
be?
so
Oh,
I know
no.
my friend that does my hair, so it's not like a big deal. I'll just probably do more of my shaking my head yes and no so people don't think I'm weird talking out loud. So then what time on Wednesday?
Anytime from 3:30 to 5:30.
You want to do, why did we do 3:45 today? Should we move it to 3:45 just in case?
Yeah, was that Cindy that wanted that? Yeah, we'll probably move it to that then.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's fine
I'll
with
just go
me.
3:45.
Okay.
Sounds good. See you
Sweet.
guys tomorrow then at that hangout thing.
See you tomorrow.
Okay,
Okay, see ya.
Bye,
bye.
guys.